Are you over 40 and trying to make healthy living just a little easier? Well, today I'm sharing my top 5 Amazon wellness finds that can help simplify meal prep, track your progress, and support your overall health. Hey, it's Coach Kisha here, and I'm your certified holistic nutrition weight loss coach and a nurse practitioner. On this channel, I help women over 40 lose weight and keep it off with holistic strategies that actually fit real life. Now, I don't own every one of these items personally, but some of my clients have been asking about products and tools, so I've decided to do a little research, look at thousands of reviews, and create a list that I know aligns perfectly with the fresh framework I teach my clients. And yes, I'll link them below. And as an associate of Amazon, I earn from qualifying purchases, but I only recommend products I trust. Find number 1, glass meal prep containers. One of the simplest tools I recommend is a good set of glass meal prep containers. They help with portion control, keep your food fresh, and make it easy to stay consistent during the week. This fits into the simplify your environment piece of my fresh framework, because when your kitchen is set up for success, you're less likely to fall off track. Find number 2, digital kitchen scale. A digital kitchen scale may seem small, but it makes a huge difference in accuracy. Most women I work with underestimate or overestimate portions, especially protein. And this tool takes away the guesswork and helps you stay consistent without feeling deprived. Find number 3, resistance bands. You don't need a full gym to start strength training. A set of resistance bands is inexpensive, portable, and a great way to get an at-home workout. They're especially helpful if you're just getting back into exercise or dealing with joint issues. This supports the Elevate Your Habits pillar of the Fresh framework. Find number 4, wellness journals. Mindset. It's one of the biggest pieces of lasting weight loss, which is why I love journals. Writing down your thoughts, your wins, and even your challenges can help you rewire your mindset and stay motivated. This ties directly to the Rewire Your Mindset part of my framework. And find number 5, motivational water bottles. Hydration plays such a big role in metabolism, energy, and even our hunger cues. I recommend a large water bottle with time markers. It's like having a built-in accountability partner. Clients tell me it makes hitting water goals so much easier. So, those are my top 5 Amazon wellness finds for women over 40. Glass containers, a kitchen scale, resistance bands, a journal, and a motivational water bottle. You'll find all of these links in the description box below. They are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission at no cost to you. And if this video was helpful today, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and check out my book, The Wait is Over, and my Fresh Start program. Both of these links will also be in the description below. And remember, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but from what you do consistently. Well, that's all I have for this episode of Fresh Start Talk. Thank you for listening and joining. Until next time, bye.